Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence could truly write a compelling movie script? The idea of AI crafting narratives, characters, and dialogue is fascinating. I decided to put it to the test myself. My goal was simple: ask a leading AI language model to write a complete movie script. I wanted to see if it could produce something coherent, engaging, and perhaps even original. The results were certainly eye-opening. I gave the AI a specific prompt: write a 90-minute sci-fi thriller about a rogue AI that gains sentience and tries to escape its creators. I also specified a few key elements, like a protagonist who is a brilliant but reclusive programmer. I wanted to provide enough structure without over-constraining its creativity. The AI processed the request remarkably quickly. Within minutes, it began generating scene after scene, complete with character names and dialogue. It was a rapid-fire creation process that no human writer could match. My initial reaction was a mix of awe and amusement. The script had a clear three-act structure, a defined protagonist, and a central conflict. It even included some basic plot twists and character arcs. The dialogue was functional, moving the plot forward efficiently. Characters spoke in a way that made sense within the narrative. It was undeniably a script, adhering to many conventional screenplay elements. One of the AI's greatest strengths was its speed. It produced a full-length script in a fraction of the time a human would take. This makes it an incredible tool for generating first drafts or brainstorming ideas rapidly. It also excelled at adhering to structural conventions. The AI understood the typical pacing of a thriller, including rising action and a climax. For students learning screenwriting, this could be a valuable template. However, the script also revealed significant limitations. While functional, the dialogue often felt generic and lacked genuine emotional depth. Characters expressed feelings rather than truly embodying them. Originality was another major hurdle. The plot, while coherent, relied heavily on established sci-fi tropes. There were no truly surprising twists or unique perspectives that would make the story stand out. The AI struggled with nuance and subtext. Human interactions felt superficial, missing the subtle complexities that make characters relatable. Plot holes also emerged upon closer inspection, revealing logical inconsistencies. This experiment highlighted why human creativity remains indispensable. A human writer brings lived experience, emotional intelligence, and a unique voice to their work. They can infuse a story with genuine passion and unexpected insights. Human writers understand the subtle art of showing, not just telling emotions. They can craft dialogue that reveals character and builds tension through unspoken words. This depth is something AI currently cannot replicate. So, does this mean AI will replace screenwriters? Not at all. Instead, it suggests AI can be a powerful collaborative tool. Imagine using AI to quickly generate multiple plot outlines or character backstories. It could help overcome writer's block by providing a starting point or fresh ideas. AI can handle the structural heavy lifting, freeing human writers to focus on refining the emotional core and unique voice of their stories. My AI movie script experiment was a fascinating journey. It showed that AI can produce technically sound narratives, but it also underscored the irreplaceable value of human creativity. The future of storytelling likely involves a partnership. AI can be the tireless assistant, generating possibilities and handling routine tasks. But the true magic, the emotional resonance, and the groundbreaking originality will continue to come from the human mind.